Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing well. This is going to be my review of PLR Funnel. This is a brand new product here. We'll just jump over to the sales page here. So this is PLR Funnels. This is going to be my review and sort of walk through, and we'll go through the demo. That is not the page I want to be on. This is the page I want to be on. Okay, so PLR Funnels. Want to boost your profits by tapping into the huge $38 billion industry today. A brand new auto-updating PLR funnel creator that comes with giant 27,000 plus ready-to-sell PLR products with sales pages. And we're going to look at the sales pages, guys. Bonus pages, opt-in pages as your own without any coding or designing skills, and unbeatable low time price. So I think it's starting at $17, guys. So what's PLR? You might be going, Glenn, that's great, but what's PLR? PLR is called private label rights. Basically, someone else creates a product and then they give you the rights to sell it. And they give you different rights. You could have white label rights, which means you can take it and break it apart and make it anything you want using their source material. They're using it as source material to create your own. Or you can have private label rights, which means you can sell it as it is, or sometimes you can put your name on it. Depends on what the licensing is on that. But really, we're not worried about that. We're just worried about being able to sell them, right? Because then it sells with the license. So whatever the license is, we sell them through this, making these funnels. So this is a really cool product, guys, and I love it because AI is just doing so many things that we would have had to have a whole bunch of stuff to do before. It's funny, people are buying this. I don't know if you can see down in the corner there. People are buying this as we're talking. So you might want to go grab it. I'll put a link in the video below so you can grab it. Now, first off, I'm going to just tell you, I've got a really special bonus for this. I want to show you this. I make sales every day using this. Discover how to start from scratch and generate $100 per day using private label rights. There you go. PLR. So full-time income with PLR. This is my bonus to you, along with a bunch of other bonuses, but I just wanted to just share that with you. So you're going to get this, exactly how to profit from PLR. Now, let's jump over and take a look at this video that they put together. Now, I'm going to turn the volume down, guys, because whenever there's volume on these demo videos, it does a copyright thing on my YouTube. Not that it's depending on the country where it's made, it has different copyrights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it, and then we're gonna I'll just turn the volume down. So let's see. There we go. Oh, you probably can hear it. I'm realizing it's probably pretty boring without any sound on there. So, anyways, you get the gist of it. It's basically it's point and click, guys. Everything is in there for you. You just need to create the page, name it, and you create a name, and it's in there. So, what I want to do is actually I'm going to show you some of the pages that have been created with this. So, this is a PLR Fancy opt-in box creator. So this is it. Boom. All you need to put in, if you have Stripe or if you have PayPal, you put in your information there and you can charge them a fee, whatever you want to charge on that. And these pages are beautiful, guys. Yeah, it's like amazing. And you don't have to host this. This is all hosted within the system. Okay, let's go over to, we'll look at an opt-in page. So this is so PLR funnel, create absolutely any type of profit making marketing page in under 5 minutes. And guys, this is all editable. You can edit all this stuff right here. You collect emails that way if you're building a list, which I highly recommend. If you watch any of my videos, we build lists. And then bonus pages, guys. They create actual bonus pages to give stuff away. So this is the download page for the PDF, whatever you're giving away. So that's pretty cool what it is. The upsells are so the front end is going to be at $19, and you should be able to get a sale. Let's just let's see if we can see what the downsell the discount is. So this is a really cool trick, guys. Is what you do is you go to the page, and then you go to scroll off, and usually a window will pop up telling you, oh, maybe it doesn't here. Oh, it's just loading. Can't see. Well, it looks like it's a dime sale, guys, so it might not have the discount. So it'd be $19. Okay, let's go back here. So that's so you get to sell the 27,000 products with done for you 27,000 sales page, bonus pages, opt-in pages. So you can integrate with PayPal or Stripe. You can integrate your autoresponder, and users can create a new funnel with sales page, opt-in page, bonus page. After creating a funnel, the user will get 2 settings. Domain and access. With this option, users can set up their funnel on a subdomain or their own custom domain, which is cool. Use this option to create a sales opt-in bonus page, connect domain user. Okay, so that's the front end. So Pro, it removes that powered by PLR from the pages. I mean, I think you should be able to put an affiliate link on that powered by PLR. But if you wanted to remove it and make it like your own, payment plans, so you can do payment plans. You can make compliance pages. You have an advertisement setting, so you can advertise on a sidebar. Lead setting, users can select the autoresponder to get leads generated when customer signs up. So it hasn't. This one, you can get the leads within it. The user can see details, so you get to see payment transactions. So this is what I always recommend, guys, is with the front end, you can publish only 100, which is tons. Guys, if you did 1 a day, that's only 30. You could do 3 a day per month. For unlimited, though, you can do unlimited. So, and I always recommend just get the unlimited, because you don't know. You might hire someone that's like on Fiverr that says, I want you to put up 10 a day. And they're just making 10 of these things a day and getting them out there. You've got a custom PLR maker, so you can make your own PLRs. Done for you, so you get 50 different ready done for you PLR membership sites with resell. So this is actually a membership site, not just the PLR, but a membership site. So you could sell people a monthly subscription to a membership site that then they could sell the PLRs, right? So that's pretty cool. Agency. With this option, users can create sub-users, agency members, and those sub-users can create their own PLR funnels. So you could have an agency of PLR. Reseller, sell PLR funnels to anyone you want and keep 100% profits. I also recommend this upsell because, like I said, you sell this once, sell one of these, it pays for your whole system. Like, this is what's so cool. You buy it once, and then you get the reseller rights, and it pays for the whole thing. And then white label. Rebrand the whole thing. You add your own branding, your own logo, and product name. So that's pretty cool. We just did the demo. There's the sales video. Okay, let's go back to the page here. We'll scroll down and see if we can show you some of the bonuses that they're giving away here. So they got award-winning PLR funnel creation, sales pages, click funnel. Yeah, so you don't need click funnels, opt-in months, or any of that. Newbie friendly. Okay. You get the free commercial license, which is cool. So here's some other PLR, ID PLR I belong to. So basically, there's no monthly fee, no hidden fee, video training, after sales support, money back guarantee, extra bonuses, dedicated support, free hosting, lifetime updates. So that's really cool. Everything is there for you guys. Let's just see if we can find the bonuses on the page here. It's a long sales page, guys. Okay, then it's in here. So the doc. Yeah, those are the anyways, I'll find the bonuses for you guys. Anyways, so that is the. Let me jump on here. So that's PLR funnels. Had my smoothie this morning. Thought I had a little bit of purple from the blueberries. All right, so what do I think of PLR funnels? I love it. Guys, if you don't know anything about me, I love these pre-made sites. I use CB Auto is one I use. I have the CB Sites store. I have multiple ones of these guys, and they're just out there. They're just real estate that's always making, you know, some of them make a couple bucks, like a couple sales a week. Some of them make a couple sales a day. It all varies. It's just they're just more and more out there. And if you watch my training, you want to have a whole bunch of internet real estate out there. So you're always gathering. People are always finding your stuff. You want to be collecting emails. This is just another great way. People are looking for information. And the people that are looking for information are the people you want to get on your list, because they're the people that are looking for stuff to buy, right? They want to learn how to do things. So this is another great tool. You know, you can spend $100 on it, or well, you can spend $20 on it and get the front end, or you spend $100, buy a couple of the upgrades, and then go out and use it and start putting these things to things. But here's the deal. It only works if you use it. If you just buy it and not set it up, then it's not going to work. If you just buy it and set up a couple pages but don't share those pages anywhere, then it's not going to work. So you'd want to, you know, set up your calendar. So you're like, okay, I'm going to make one opt-in page each day, right? It takes literally 30 seconds. I'm going to then take that link and I'm going to share it on my social media, and then do it again the next day. And maybe when you have more time, you can do 3 a day, whatever it is, and start getting these things out there. You will, after a while, you're going to start going to have momentum, because you're going to have all these pages out there, right? And continue to share them everywhere. I'll go on to forums, write something, and if people are looking for something, write something, and then put the link. Oh, here's a PLR, or give them away. Or once you start building your list, you can start sending them each day that you put a new one up. You send it to your list. Hey guys, I just put up a brand new PLR. You can pick it up for $7. Here you go. Blah 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 blah, kind of thing, right? So that's how these things work. But they don't work. They're just tools, guys. And in order for the tools to work, you have to have someone operating the tools. So that's why I love these programs. So I put mine out there. I set and forget it. I have something that automatically posts onto my social media, so that once I do it once, it will continue to post it for a year, 2 years. Excuse me. So every few days, that page is then posted again onto my social media, and that's how you really start getting momentum and getting people to your site. So, do I recommend PLR funnels? Absolutely, it's a great product. Any downfalls? I don't really see anything bad about this program. Just it's really just using it, making these pages work for you. So go ahead, click the link below. You're going to get remember, you're going to get my how to create a full-time income with PLR training, and you're going to get the other bonuses, which I'll find them. I'll put a link to them in here. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also if you're interested in knowing what the #1 recommended business I recommend, click the link below. It says the #1 recommended business, and that's my favorite business online. All right, because it gets you big commissions. So that's what you want to be part of. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.